Viewer discretion advised. This video may contain strong language or distressing content. This upload is intended for educational and documentary purposes under applicable public records law and fair use guidelines. On August 12, 2025, Sergeant Travis Walker attempted a traffic stop on a driver with multiple warrants. When the driver heard that the warrants were confirmed, she made a risky decision. Deputies were forced to use a precision immobilization technique, PIT, to safely end the pursuit. After the vehicle was stopped by a second Piet maneuver, the driver ran towards the woods. She was quickly apprehended and now faces charges including fleeing, reckless driving, obstruction, and 4 outstanding warrants. Thank you to the Jones County Sheriff's Office for sharing this publicly released video and allowing the community to stay informed. If you like this video, support the channel by hitting like, tapping subscribe, and sharing this video. Real incidents, real officers, real patrol footage.